Hello dear friends, welcome back. Today we are going to start a second topic, editing and formatting a slide, unit 5th, presentation tools. In the last video we already discussed the first topic, creating a presentation. If you didn't watch that video, click the I button to the top of the right corner. Otherwise continue this video. Let's start today's video. First topic, editing and formatting slides. Your slide can be edited or formatted to meet your requirement. The Edit menu in the menu bar offers different options to edit the slide, and the Format menu offers option for formatting the document. Some important tasks related to editing and formatting let's discuss. First one, loading color, gradient and hatching list. You can use list to organize colors, gradient or hatching patterns. There are three types of lists. First one, color list, gradient list, and third, hatching list. Let's discuss a first one, color list. Follow these steps for loading a color list and also save a new color list. So firstly, open a presentation and then click a Format menu and then click a area option, and this window will be appear. Click the colors tab and this window will be appear. Here you can click a load color list and this dialog box will be appear, and then locate the color list that you want to load and then click a open button, and a color list file has the format .soc. color list is loaded, and if you want to save the new color list, select the color and then change the properties here, RGB, red, green and blue, and then click this button, save color list, and this dialog box will be appear, save as, and then type your file name and then click on save button. Next one list is a gradient list. Follow these steps for loading a gradient list and save a new list. For loading a gradient list, click on a Format menu and then click a area and then select a gradient tab, and here click a load gradient list and then select a gradient file, and this file extension is .sog, and then click a open button. Gradient is loaded, and if you want to create a new gradient list, simple, select your color and then change your properties here and then click this button, save gradient list, and save as dialog box will be appear. Type your file name here and then click a save button. This is the format for saving a new gradient list. And next one topic is creating gradient fills. A gradient fill is an incremental blend of two different colors or shades of the same color that you can apply to a drawing object. To apply a gradient, follow these steps. So firstly, click on a Format menu and then click a area and then click a gradient tab. Select the type here and then select a gradient style here and then click a OK button. Next one is creating a custom gradient. You can define your own gradient and modify existing gradients, as well as save and load a list of the gradient files. To create a custom gradient, follow these steps. You can follow the same first step. Click on a Format menu and then click areas and then click a gradient, and then select the gradient from the list to use as the basic for your new gradient, and then click add, and then type the name of the gradient here, and then click OK button. The name appears at the end of the gradient list, this one. And if you want to modify the list, set the gradient properties and then click the modifier to save the gradient. Click the modifier button and then type the name here and then click OK. Next one topic is using gradient and transparency. You can adjust the properties of the gradient as well as the transparency of drawing object with your mouse. To adjust the gradient of a drawing object, follow these steps. So firstly, select your object here and then click a format menu and then click a area and then click a gradient and then change the value of the gradient. In gray 9 value is 75% and gray 3 value is 100%, and then click OK and then click modify and enter your gradient name, same, click on OK. So second one list is a hatching list. To load hatching list and save a new hatching list, follow these steps. So open your presentation and then click a format menu and then click a area, and this window will be appear. Click on a hatching tab and then click the load hatches list and then select your file. This file extension is .soh and then click open button, and your list is loaded. And if you want to save the new list, so simply select your style and then change the properties here and then click this button, save hatches list, and save as dialog box will be appear. Type your file name here and then click on save button. Next one topic is loading line and arrow style. You can use a style to organize lines and arrow types. Here two style, line style or arrow style. Let's discuss the first one, line style. Follow these steps for load line style or save a new line style. So click on a format menu and then click a line option, and then this window will be appear, and then click a line style here and select your properties here, line style. There are different line styles. You can select the type, number, length and spacing also. And if you want to load a line style, click this button. Locate the file containing the line style that you want to load and then click a open button. And if you want to save the new line style, click this button and save as dialog box will be appear. Type your file name here and then click a save button. Next one style is arrow styles. Follow these steps to load arrow style and save a new arrow styles. Firstly, click on a format menu and then click a line option. Click the arrow style and organize arrow style. So here you can type the title and then select your arrow style. There are so many arrow styles. And if you want to load arrow style, click this button. Locate the file containing the arrow style that you want to load and then click open button. And if you want to save the new arrow style, click this button, and then save as dialog box will be appear. Type your file name here with file extension .soe and then click a save button. Next one and last one topic is replacing colors. You can replace colors in bitmap of the color replacer tool. Up to 4 colors can be replaced at once. You can also use a transparency option to replace the transparent areas of an image with a color. Similarly, you can use the color replacer to make a color of your image transparent. To replace colors with the color replacer tool, follow these steps. Ensure that the image you are using is a bitmap, means file extension .bmp, .gif, .jpg and .png. Click on a tools menu and then click a color replacer tool, and this window will be appear, color replacer. Click on the color replacer icon and position the mouse pointer over the color you want to replace in the image. The color appears in the box next to the icon. This is a source color, and in the replace with box, select the new color. And then click a replace button. So let's try a second one color. So firstly, click the color replacer icon and then position the mouse pointer over the color you want to replace in the image. The color appears in the first source color, and then select the new color in the replace with box. And then click a replace button. This is a method for replacing color. So dear friends, in this video you learn how to editing and formatting a slide. In the next video we will discuss how to insert a different types of shapes, clip art and pictures in our slide. If this video is helpful for you, hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now, and also press the bell icon for the future update. Share this video to your friends and family members so this video can reach more students. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.